Dear students, let's start arithmetic section. From question number 36 onwards, we have arithmetic questions. So we'll skip these and we'll start these questions later. From 46 onwards, right? Come on. So here, two negative numbers. First, we have to complete numbers inside the bracket. Two negative numbers, 5 by 7, 3 by 7, which is 8 by 7. 8 by 7 can be written as 1 by 7. Already 2 integer plus 1, 3 1 by 7. 6 minus 3, that is 3. 3 by 14 minus 1 by 7. 1 by 7 we can write it as 2 by 14. So 3 1 by 14 into x is equal to 946. 3 14 times, that is 42 plus 1 43. 43 by 14 goes to the other side. This becomes into 14 divided by 43. So first thing, this number 946 is 11 multiple, so x must be 11 multiple because there is no 11 multiple in the denominator. First option is 11 multiple, this can be your answer. Second cannot be your answer. Third cannot be your answer. Fourth and fifth, those cannot be your answers. Otherwise you can even verify last digit verification as well. Next, minus x goes to the other side, 585 comes to left hand side, then it becomes minus 585. 40 into 36 divided by 1.5. So first thing, this is 9 multiple but not 27 multiple. I mean to say, in numerator we have 3 square multiple, in denominator we have 3 multiple. Square and 3 gets cancelled. So this number is 3 multiple and this is also 3 multiple. 3 multiple minus 3 multiple must be only 3 multiple but cannot be a 9 multiple. This is 9 multiple but we are expecting only 3 multiple. This cannot be your answer. Second can be your answer. Third is 9 multiple. This cannot be your answer. This is not 3 multiple and this is not 3 multiple. So answer must be only a multiple of 3 and there is only one option, final answer. If it is 9 multiple and the other number is also 9 multiple, then result will be 9 multiple. But the problem here is your first number is only 3 multiple and the other number is 9 multiple. From 3 multiple, if you subtract 9 multiple, answer will be only multiple of 3 but cannot be a 9 multiple of 9 multiple. Second final answer. Next. So 2 to the power of x, that goes to the other side. 300 divided by 0.6 can be written as 6 by 10. Denominator and denominator comes to numerator. Right hand side 250 will come to left hand side, that is 250. 6 500 times divided by 250, which is equal to 2. 2 or 2 power 1 we can write. So x is equal to 1, which is first option. Next, under root of 2304. When under root value is ending with 4, your square, that must be either ending with 2 or 8. So 50 square is 2500. This must be less than that. 40 square is 1600. This is more than that. So this entire value must be either 42 or 48. So 48 is close to 50. 50 square is 2500. This number is close to that. Hence it has to be 48 but not 42. 48 divided by 4 square, that is 16, by 5 square. Denominator, in denominator 25 comes to left hand side, numerator. And right hand side we have x into 5. 16 3 times, 5 5 times, 3 into 5 15. Third option is our final answer. Next. So 85% in the sense, from the original number you can simply subtract 15%. 10% is 62, 5% 31. 62, 31, 93. From this we have to subtract 93. Then this number must end with 7 minus 50% of this number, 184, ending with 4. 7 minus 4 in the sense the result is ending with 3 and that must be identified as some number to the power of 3. Which number cube ends with 7? That is, which number cube ends with 3? That is 7 cube only ends with 3. Hence third option is our final answer. Next, 70%. 70% of any number is 50% plus 20%. 50% of this number is 140. 20% is 56. Total is 196. Right hand side we have 196 minus 172 goes to the other side. Then this entire number is equal to 24. 80% of number is equal to 24. Then root x is equal to divided by 80 into 100. 1 percentage is by 80, 100% is into 100, right? 0, 0 gets cancelled, 8 3 times. If root x is equal to 30, x is equal to 30 square, which is equal to 900, fourth option, final answer. 2 1 by 3, that is 7 by 3 into 1 4 by 5, that is 9 by 5 into x is equal to 15. 3 3 times here, 3 5 times here, then x is equal to 5 into 5, that is 25. 7 goes to right hand side, denominator, that is 7 3 is 21, and then 4 by 7, 3 4 by 7, first option, final. Next, 1 2 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 3 into 18 square. We can write it as 18 into 18 divided by 10 square, that is 100, divided by 625, that is equal to 25, which is equal to 3 by 5 to the power of some number. So let me identify how many 5's are there in denominator. In numerator 5 and here 5 gets cancelled. So here this can be written as 4 into 25. 25 can be written as 5 square into 5, that is 5 cube. So when denominator value is 5 and we have cube value, you don't have to verify how many 3's are there. That also will be, as definitely you'll get it as 3 only. So your result is 3 by 5 to the power of 14 minus 6. 14 minus which number will give you 3? 14 minus 11 only. Hence, first option is final answer. So though your right hand side value fraction is 3 by 5, I just need only how many 3's are there in numerator, or I just need only how many 5's are there in the denominator. That itself is sufficient to answer the question. Squaring on both sides, right hand side first of all you'll have 441. Square and under root value gets cancelled. Minus x goes to right hand side 21 square, 441 will come to left hand side. Next, 193 plus 21 divided by 0.03 can be written as 3 by 100. That 2 zeros comes to numerator. 3 700 times 700 plus 193, that is equal to 893 minus 441. Answer must end with 2. Yes, multiple options are there. Answer must end with 52 and there is only one. Second option is our final answer. Right, 120 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, 420. 420 divided by 2, denominator and denominator comes to numerator. 2, 210 times into 3, that is equal to 630. These two numbers sum goes to right hand side. 250, 220, 479.5. 479.5. If you subtract it, answer must end with 0.5. How many options are ending with 0.5? Yes, two options are there, so there is no way we have to calculate this. So this is equal to 150.5. 150.5, fourth option is our answer. 16, directly we can go for cancellation here, that is 50 times. 77 minus 50, which is 27. 27 is equal to 3 into which number square? 3, 9 times here. 9 can be written as 3 square. Hence, x value is equal to 3, which is fourth option. Next, minus x goes to right hand side. Right hand side number will come to left hand side. Okay. So now for this question, I guess we can verify number after decimal because all the options are having different numbers except first and then third. Let's see our luck. After decimal, this number is ending with 0.25. When this comes left hand side, this also becomes a negative number. So the value, entire value becomes 69. 15 minus 9, that is equal to 6. 11 minus 6, 5. So answer must end with 0.56. Yes, multiple options are there. We have to calculate. 732. 327 plus 291, which is equal to 618. When you subtract 618 from this number, already out of 2, 1 carry is over. 1 minus 8, that is 11 minus 8, which is equal to 3. Answer must end with 3.56, hence third option is our final answer. Next. Yes, number after decimal only, 0.4, 0.04, 0.004. So these are positive numbers which is ending with 0.444. From this we have to subtract 0.230. That means answer must end with 0.214. 0.214 is first option, final. Next. So here in both numerator and denominator, there is only one digit after decimal. So we'll write it as 56 divided by 7 into. Here also only one digit in numerator and denominator. 95 divided by 5 into 3. 7, 8 times here, 5, 19 times here. Let's verify last digit verification. 8 into 9, 72 ends with 2. 2 into 3, 6. Answer must end with 6. Answer is either first option or fifth option. Two possibilities are there. Into 3 we have. That means answer must be 3 multiple. 456 is 3 multiple and ending with 6. Possibility. 356 is ending with 6, but this is not 3 multiple. Hence, first option is our final answer. Last digit verification along with 3 multiplication rule. Next, 110 percentage. First of all, 72% goes to the other side. 2087 comes to left hand side. 110% in the sense 100% plus 10%, which is equal to 265. That is equal to 2915. From that, if you subtract 2087, 5 minus 7, that is equal to 8, and this is 2, and here we have 8, 828. 828 is 72%, then 1 percentage is 828 divided by 72, and we need 100% value into 100. So now, last digit verification, or you can go for something like this. 72, 172, 108 we have again one time. That means there is some number, there will be some number after 11 point something. So you know that answer must start with 1, 1. Answer must start with 1, 1, and we have only one option, first option, final answer. I don't want to calculate how much is after 11 point something, but still using this information we can identify the answer. Yes, now we have data analysis. What is the difference between total number of visitors in libraries A, B together on Tuesday? Tuesday, A and B together, that is equal to 227, and CD together on Wednesday. CD together on Wednesday, that is sum of these two numbers, which is 329, 329. 300 minus 200, 100. 29 minus 27, that is equal to 02. 102 final answer, which is first option. What is the respective ratio between total number of visitors in library CD together on Monday? CD together on Monday. Yes, sum of these two numbers, that is equal to 192. As it is ratio, you can write it as A is to B or A by B form. Libraries B, E together on Wednesday. Wednesday, B and E together, 181 plus 83, that is equal to 264. Yes, first of all, in your numerator there is 3 multiple but not 9 multiple. In denominator also there is a 3 multiple but not 9 multiple. 3 multiple gets cancelled. Okay, and your denominator is 11 multiple but your numerator is not 11 multiple. So in your denominator you should have 11 multiple. This may be the possibility. Second eliminated, third possible, fourth not possible, fifth is not possible. Okay, right. So here first 6 is there, which is a 3 multiple. When there is a 3 multiple in both numerator and denominator, that gets cancelled, and there is no way you will get your answer first number as 3 multiple. So this is also eliminated. 8 is to 11 is our final answer. What is the average number of visitors in library E on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday? Monday E on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday, right? So first tens places and along with hundreds places, 180, 120, 300. 300 plus 140, that is equal to 440. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. When you add 16 to this, it is 456 divided by 3, because you are asked to calculate average. 152 is our final answer, fourth option. Number of visitors in library A increased by 20% from Friday to Saturday. Friday we already have 145, and this fellow increases by 20 percentage. 10 percentage is 14.5, 20 percentage is 29. Right, next. And decreased by 5 percentage from Friday to Saturday for library D. Library D already we have 180. This fellow decreased by 5 percentage. 5% of this number is 9. Right. So now your question is to identify both together. 145 plus 29, that is equal to 174, and this is 171. Sum of both the numbers is equal to 345. 345 is our final answer, which is first option. So now We are left with, no, there is one more question. Yes. Number of visitors in library B decreased by what percent from Monday to Thursday? B Monday to Thursday, right? B Monday to Thursday decreased by what percent? 175 becomes 120. That means decreased by 55 from 175 percentage into 100. Right now, 30 percentage of the denominator is equal to 17.5 three times. 17 3 is 51. 0.5 three times is 1.5. That is equal to 52.5. To this, we need to add 2.5 more to get your numerator 55. 1 percentage is 1.75. This is more than that. 2 percentage is 3.5. This is less than that. So this value will be between 1% and 2%. Approximately, I treat it as 1.5%. Total value must be 31.5 percentage. Approximate to that, there is only one. Fifth option, final answer. So we are now left with only arithmetic questions, which starts from question number 36, and let's complete these questions. A boat can travel 8.8 kilometers downstream in 33 minutes. So I would like to calculate downstream speed without using formula. You can definitely use formula, but I don't want to use formula. Kilometer per hour in the sense, hour in the sense 60 minutes. So I'll try to convert distance that can be covered in 60 minutes. If you divide this number with 11, you'll get 3 minutes. Divided by 11, that is 0.8. Take 2 times of this, that is 6. It is equal to 1.6. If you multiply it with 10, this becomes 16 kilometers in 60 minutes. So downstream speed becomes 16 kilometer per hour. We calculate it for 60 minutes, which is per hour. And the speed of the water current and the speed of the boat and still water is 1:7. 1 part and then 7 parts. So downstream speed is equal to 8 parts, which is equal to 16. Exactly 2 times. How much time the boat will take to travel 8.4 kilometers upstream? Upstream speed is equal to m minus s. 7 minus 1 in the sense 6 parts. So 6 parts is equal to upstream speed. 8 2 times 6 2 is 12 kilometer per hour. You are asked to calculate time in minutes. That is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance covered is 8.4 kilometers and the speed is 12 kilometer per hour. Convert into hours to minutes, that is equal to into 60. 12 5 times here. 8.4 5 times. Taking 5 times of any number is take 10 times and make it half. 10 times is 84. Half of that is 42. 42, fourth option, final answer. A can finish a piece of work in 48 days. He worked alone for 8 days. So A already worked for 8 days. And then B joined, not replaced. Together they could finish the remaining work in 16 days. So B also worked with B worked for 16 days and A worked for 16 days. So out of the total, A worked for 24 days. A can finish the total work in 48 days. Out of that, he already worked for 24 days. That means 50% of the work is done. If 50% of the work is done by A, remaining 50% is done by B only. If B can complete 50% of the work in 16 days, to complete the total work, that is 100%, he needs 32 days. 32 days, fourth option is final answer. First, we calculated what was the work done by A. We got it as 50%. Remaining 50% is done by B in 16 days. If 50% is done in 16 days, 100% can be done in 32 days. Final answer. Next, Kim gave 2/3 of 60%. 3 20 times 2 into 20, that is 40%, to Anna. So Anna received first of all 40% from Kim. First you need to calculate this. Out of the amount Anna received from Kim, that is 40%, she gave 30% towards tuition fee. 30% of 40, that is 12. If 12 is taken out, remaining is 28%. Okay. And the remaining rupees 7840, which is equal to 28%, then 1% is equal to divided by 28. Now what is your question? What was Kim's monthly salary? Kim's monthly salary was 100%. So into 100. 3 zeros we have. So you'll have 3 zeros for sure. Denominator ends with 8. Numerator ends with 4. 8 3 times ends with 4. Or 8 8 times also ends with 4. ends with 4. So answer must end with either 3000 or 8000. How many options are there? There is only one option which is ending with either 3000 or 8000. Fourth option is our final answer. A trader sold an article at 20% loss. Had he sold the same article for 140.4 rupees more extra money he is selling, he would have earned a profit of 6%. Earlier he was getting 20% loss, that will be on negative side, and now this case he is getting 6% profit, that will be on positive side. Minus 20 plus 6, difference is 26%. This 26% has come just because of 140.4 rupees. That means 1% is equal to divided by 26. And now, what is the selling price of the article if it is sold at 20% profit? When you are selling it at 20% profit, that must be equal to 120%. First of all, 120 is 3 multiple, answer must be 3 multiple. This is 3 multiple, this is 3 multiple. Multiple options are there, we have to calculate this, no doubt about it. So now, here when you verify last digit, 0 and decimal gets cancelled. 4 into 2, numerator ends with 8. Denominator ends with 6. 6 3s, 18 ends with 8. 6 8 48 ends with 8. So your answer value should end with either 3 or 8. Answer must end with either 3 or 8. There is only one option. Third option, final answer. First thing we verified multiplication rule. Multiple options are there. Hence now we are verifying for last digit verification. The square of the number x is 39 more than the square of another number y. The value of x is 1.6 times of y. 1.6 times. If y is equal to 10 parts, x is equal to 1.6 times, that means 16 parts. When you go for ratio here, that is equal to 8:5. 8x and then 5x. Now what is the difference between the value of x and then y? Okay. So difference between both the numbers is equal to 3 parts or 3x. 3x must be a multiple of 3 and there is only one 3 multiple. Directly you can answer this question. Otherwise, treat it as 8 parts and then 5 parts. 1.6 times condition satisfies. Square of x is 39 more than the square of another number. That means difference of the squares is given. Square, here it is 64p square and 5 square is 25p square and which is equal to 39. From this 39p square is equal to 39. From this p square is equal to 1, p is equal to 1 and difference is 3 parts which is equal to 3. You don't have to do this simplification. That's what I'm telling you. After getting the relation in terms of ratio, we got it as difference is 3 parts. That has to be a multiple of 3. After 14 years, Tia's age will be 62. Then to get present age of Tia, subtract 14 from 62 which is equal to 48. Tia's present age is 48. Tia's present age is 6 times of Rinky's present age. So with respect to Rinky's present age, 48 will be 6 times. 6 into which number will give you 48? 6 into 8 only. Hence Ria's age, present age must be 8. Then only 6 into 8, 48. Condition gets satisfies. The respect ratio between Rinky's age at that time. At what time? After 7 years. 7 years hence. These are present ages. After 7 years, Rinky age becomes 8 plus 7, that is 15. Which in terms of number of parts is 5 parts. 5 3 times. 9 parts. 9 3 is 27. This was Rinky's age and then Sapna's age after 7 years. Now your question is, by how many years is Sapna elder to Rinky? Sapna elder to Rinky. Difference. Elder or younger, difference. Age difference between any two members in any year must be same. So you don't have to calculate what is percentage of Sapna, need not to take the difference here. You can directly take difference here also, which is equal to 12, direct answer, which is third option. Otherwise, if you want to take percentage of Sapna and want to take difference, still you can do it. After 7 years, Sapna age becomes 27. Then at present her age must be 20. Even when you take the difference, here also that will be 12. Because age difference between any two members in any year must be same. So here also, by using ratio, if you try to answer this question, sometimes it is possible. Rinky age 5 parts, Sapna age 9 parts. Difference is 4 parts. 4 parts in the sense 4 multiple. This is 4 multiple and this is 4 multiple. 2 options are there. If there is only one, using with this logic itself, we can close the answer. There are 2 varieties of rice A and rice B, which are mixed in the respective ratio 3:5. Rice A is worth of 24 rupees per kg and rice B is worth of 36 rupees per kg. What was the worth of the new mixture of rice, variety A and B together? So quantities were taken in the respective ratio 3:5. So I'll consider 3 kgs of the first variety and 5 kgs of the second variety. First variety price per kg is 24. If 3 kgs are taken, then cost becomes 24 into 3, that is equal to 72. Second variety quantity was 5 parts, 5 kgs, and price is 36 rupees per kg. Then price of the second variety is 36 into 5, which is equal to 180. So total cost price is 72 plus 180. This is total cost of how many kgs? 3 kgs of first variety, 5 kgs of the second variety. That is equal to total 8. So this is equal to 252 divided by 8. 8 3 is 24, 12 we have 1 point. 31 point something must be there. There is only one option, 31.5, final answer. Fourth option. There are 3 boys A, B, C in a family. The average weight of 3 boys is 63. If the average weight of A and B is 54 and A and C is 61.5, what is A's weight? Right. So there are 3 members. You are given average of AB and average of AC. So here A is repeating. If A is repeating, that is direct effect you use. So according to the equality concept, given average for 3 members mentioned as 63, equality concept, every member is 63, 63, 63. I'll start with 63. Now, AB average is 54, which is 9 less than the initial average. Like that, there are 2 numbers. That means 9 into 2, 18 less. As it is direct effect, we need to subtract 18. Average of A and C is 61.5, which is 1.5 less than the actual average. Like that, here also 2 members are there. 1.5 into 2, 3. As it is 3 less, we need to directly subtract 3. 63 minus 21, that is equal to 42, final answer. 42, which is fifth option. This is one way. The other way is sum of AB and AC. From this, if you can subtract A plus B plus C, you will get A only. 2A minus A. B plus C minus B plus C gets cancelled. So you will have only A. AB average is given as 63. AB average is 54. Sum is equal to 108. AC average is 61.5. Then sum is equal to 123. From this ABC we have to subtract. ABC average is 63. Sum in the sense 3 times of it, which is equal to 189. So 8 plus 3, 2. 8 plus 3, 1. 1 minus 9, answer must end with 2. And there is only one option which is ending with 2, which is fifth option. So this is equality concept and this is traditional concept. I don't recommend this method, which is a stupid method. The total selling price of 6 chairs and 4 tables together, it is 2980. Just for your sake of understanding, I'm writing. You are not supposed to write anything. 6 chairs and 4 tables cost is mentioned 2980. And then 5 chairs and 2 tables cost is also mentioned, which is equal to 1870. And you're asked to calculate price of 4 chairs. 4 chairs price is equal to how much? See, when you want to calculate 4 chairs price, first of all, you need to know 1 chair price. How do you get 1 chair price? When you eliminate tables. 4 tables we have, and here we have 2 tables. So if you can multiply the second equation with 2, 2 into 2t, that is 40. And here also 40, that gets cancelled. 5 chairs into 2, 10 chairs, minus 6 chairs, that will give you direct 4 chairs value. So 2 times of this number minus 2980, that's what we have to follow. Observe last 2 digits. 72 times ends with 40 minus 80. 40 minus 80 in the sense answer must end with 60. How many options are ending with 60? And there is only one option. Second option, final answer. We are just taking 2 times of the second equation. From that, if you subtract first equation, you will directly get 4 chairs cost. And I am not trying to calculate the exact answer, entire value. So I am taking only last 2 digits verification. 72 times ends with 40. And here 2 digits 80. 40 minus 80, answer must end with 60, and there is only one final answer. Next. The length of a rectangular plot is 13 meters more than the breadth. That means difference between length and breadth is equal to 13. The rectangular plot was fenced at a total cost of 574 rupees at the rate of 7 rupees per meter. Fencing is done for perimeter only. Perimeter of the rectangle 2 times of L plus B. Total cost mentioned as 574 rupees at the rate of 7 rupees per meter. So the length used for fencing is equal to total cost divided by cost per meter, which is equal to 7, 8 times 56 and then 14 we have, that is 7 2 times. 2 times of L plus B is equal to 82. Then L plus B is equal to 82 by 2, which is equal to 41. Now what is the length of the plot? See, when you want to calculate length, which is the largest number, sum divided by 2 is our value. 54 by 2, that is equal to 27. So if you want to calculate largest number, sum divided by 2. Smallest number, difference divided by 2. So you're asked to calculate what is the length, which is equal to 27. 27 is fifth option.